Now, if you recall, we have 4 topics we cover in this course. The first is exploring data. Chapter 2 continues on with that particular topic. In Chapter 2, we're going to be modeling distributions of data. So you're going to learn more about how to describe the location of an individual observation within a certain distribution. Now, you read the case study online about Sudoku. If you look here, this is a graph that shows the distribution of people's playing times of the Sudoku game. Now in statistics, I could use this graph and ask you to find where within the particular distribution I would fall. And we're going to learn how to analyze various graphs and look at where percentages of data sit on various curves. That is what Chapter 2 is all about. Now Chapter 2 is a shorter chapter. There's only 2 sections and we spend 5 total days of lecture on that. The first section is going to focus on describing the location in a distribution of where data sits. And then we're going to wrap it up with talking more formally about the normal distribution. We spend 3 days on that because the normal distribution is the key and primary distribution that we use in this course. I would say 90% of the questions that are distribution related are about normal distributions. This chapter is targeted to last 10 days long. As I said before, we have 5 days of lecture, and you see examples. The first day we have 3 learning objectives. We have some practice problems. Again, I highly recommend you try, but then 1 formal quiz, which will go into your formative assessment. When we're done with the learning of all those 5 days, then we wrap this one up again. We're going to do another free response. We're going to critique various students' responses, and then you're going to try your own free response on paper that will be graded as a formative work. The online chapter review is there where you can try it one time and see how well you did with the responses being shown. The random number generator gives you one of the multiple choice problems to present, you will do a screencast-o-matic video and upload that to help us look at the review. And then we'll wrap it up with 2 days of assessments. The multiple choice, again, typically 30 minutes to do 10 questions, and then the free response. So let's get started into Chapter 2.